Hey guys, Digital Wrench here, and I have something new to unbox today, and it's from Lenovo's Legion Gaming. Yes folks, finally we received our review unit from Lenovo, and we would like to thank Lenovo Philippines for loaning us this review unit. And this gaming laptop that they sent us is their top of the line top of the line model, which is the Legion Y740. So this Legion series is the gaming line of Lenovo, and this year they started to beef up their laptop line. We had a preview earlier this year, and that's where we saw the Legion Y740, the Y540, and honestly speaking, I'm really impressed with what I saw. So when they finally launched last month, I immediately requested for a review unit, and there it is. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. And this must be the laptop, and wow, this looks small. This must be a power brick, and the power brick seems to be a lot bigger than the usual gaming laptop chargers. So this is the Lenovo Legion Y740, my friends, and it's a bit heavy for my taste, but it's all right. And it's definitely not the slimmest gaming laptop that I've ever seen. However, it does have it does look slim from afar. What only makes it a bit thick is the back of the gaming laptop, and I believe this is where the thermals are located. You can see here, you can see at the back, there are vents at the back, and there are also vents at the sides, and there are also vents underneath. You see there are a lot of holes underneath the gaming laptop. So I'm wondering how the Legion Y740 would fare during those intense gaming moments. I wonder if this would reach high temperatures. Anyway, the laptop, the lid it's made of aluminum, and while the back though, the underneath the laptop, I'm not sure if I think it's made of plastic, I'm not sure, but the lid is definitely made of aluminum, and you would see a lot of ports at the back, and this is what I like with gaming laptops, where they place all the ports at the back instead of the sides. At the back of the gaming laptop, you would see different ports, like a display port, HDMI, USB port, and there's an Ethernet port as well. And then I believe this USB 3, I'm not sure, the power jack. If you're kind of tech challenged and you don't know what these ports are, there are labels placed on top of the ports, so that it will guide you which port you will need to use. On the side, on the left side of the gaming laptop, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack, and there's a USB 3 Type-C port, and there's another USB port on the right side. So the Legion Y740 has a 15.6-inch screen with full HD resolution and 144 Hz refresh rate. So this would be great for gamers who are into intense gaming and would like to see their games in a fast-paced manner. If you will notice, the screen has thin bezels on the top and on the sides, and it has, well, unfortunately, has a big chin underneath. Now, on that chin is where the webcam is placed. Now, this is my caveat with gaming laptops where webcams are placed underneath, because I believe webcams should be placed on the eye level of the user, and that is on top of the screen. But well, they made they compromised on the placement. This is the best place for them to put the camera. Now on the keyboard, the keyboard chassis feels solid. It doesn't have any flex when you press on the palm rest, so you can be assured that this laptop is a premium gaming laptop. And keyboard feels comfortable to use. It has RGB lighting, and I like the color of the gaming laptop. It's not black. It's gunmetal, and it looks clean from the outside. This is the first. That's my first comment upon seeing the Y740 for the first time. It doesn't have these loud "I'm a gaming laptop" design. It doesn't have any outrageous colors. It's just a simple design with the Legion logo, subtle Legion logo on the right, with the Legion logo flashing RGB out on the lid. And you can definitely use this gaming laptop during corporate meetings, and nobody would notice that you are using a gaming laptop. This unit has an Intel Core i7 processor, and it has 256 gigs of I'm not sure if it's M.2 or SSD storage, and 1 terabyte of hard disk drive. And the GPU is the latest NVIDIA RTX 2060. So basically, you already have one of the latest GPUs on this gaming laptop. Although you can, I'm not sure, but if Lenovo Philippines is selling, but the Y740 has other variants with higher GPUs than the RTX 2060. Alright, so I'll be testing this gaming laptop for the next 2 weeks, and I'll be posting my full review of the Legion Y740. There will be another unboxing related to the Y740 coming soon, and I hope you can watch that unboxing video as well. And if you have any questions about this gaming laptop, please don't forget to ask those questions in the comment section. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to our channel.